Let's talk about retirement, the dream of freedom, relaxation, and no more bosses. You've been putting money into retirement insurance, thinking it's a safe bet for your future. But what if that safety net is full of holes and hidden costs? These plans, annuities, certain life insurance promise security, but bury you in jargon and fees you barely notice. Surrender charges, administrative costs, and mysterious mortality and expense fees quietly drain your savings. The dream golden years on Easy Street. The reality, a nest egg nibbled away by charges you never saw coming. Tonight, we're pulling back the curtain on the hidden world of retirement insurance fees and tactics. Buckle up, your financial future deserves a clear-eyed look. Not all insurance is bad, but retirement products are a masterclass in hiding costs. Those thick policy documents, they're designed to overwhelm you, not inform you. Surrender charges, administrative fees, investment management costs, these are the termites eating your retirement from the inside. Guarantees and protection sound comforting, but the fine print often tells a different story. A guaranteed minimum income might come with sky-high fees and restrictions. The paperwork mountain isn't accidental. It's a strategy. Every hidden fee is money out of your pocket, not just numbers on a page. Insurers count on you being too busy or trusting to dig deep. But we're about to do exactly that. Shine a light on what they hope you'll ignore. Let's get to the bottom of it. MetLife, giant, stable, and full of promises. But their variable annuities? Packed with fees like mortality and expense charges often over 1% a year. Add administrative fees, investment sub-account costs, and expensive riders, and your returns shrink fast. Surrender charges can lock you in for up to a decade. Take Sarah from Ohio, she bought a MetLife annuity for guaranteed growth. But fees ate up her returns and surrender charges trapped her. Guaranteed sounds great, but at what cost? Sometimes the fees nearly wipe out the benefit. It's like buying a $100 lottery ticket that's guaranteed to pay $5. The lesson? Always ask what you're really paying for those guarantees. Don't let the word guaranteed blind you to the real math. Read the fine print and know the true cost before you sign. Your future self will thank you. New York Life. Historic, mutual, and supposedly for the policyholder. But their annuities and cash value life insurance? Fee-laden and complex. Administrative, investment management, and mortality and expense charges stack up. Sometimes over 3% a year. Mark from Florida learned the hard way. His guaranteed income annuity barely grew, and the statements were indecipherable. The real problem isn't always deception. It's complexity and hidden costs. The bold promises are easy to spot, the fees are buried in the fine print. Don't let mutual fool you, always dig for the real numbers. AARP, trusted advocate, but also a business. Their endorsement of insurance products, like those from New York Life, brings instant credibility. But AARP earns big royalties for those endorsements, raising questions about conflicts of interest. Eleanor from Arizona trusted the AARP logo, only to find she was paying more for less coverage. The AARP seal doesn't erase fees or guarantee the best deal. Always compare, research, and read the details. Don't let a familiar logo lull you into complacency. Endorsements are a starting point, not a substitute for your own due diligence. Your retirement deserves more than a rubber stamp. Bundling. Insurance companies love it, but is it really a deal? For simple insurance, maybe. For retirement products, bundling often means hidden costs and mediocre value. The convenience of one company, one agent, one statement. It can mask higher fees and less competitive terms. You might save a little on one product but pay much more on another, wiping out any discount. Example, a bundled annuity with higher fees can cost you thousands more over time, even if the life insurance is slightly cheaper. Bundling increases your loyalty, and their profits, while making it harder to compare true costs. Insurers bet you'll pay for convenience, but every dollar in fees is a dollar lost from your future. Don't let easy cost you your retirement. Always break down the numbers before you bundle. Convenience is nice, but not at the expense of your financial security. Shop smart, not just easy. The antidote to bundling? Unbundling. Shop for each need, life insurance, annuities, long-term care, separately, and you'll almost always get better value. Compare apples to apples, find the best rates, and avoid subsidizing overpriced products. On a $200,000 portfolio, saving 1% a year in fees means $2,000 more for you, every year. Over decades, that's tens of thousands of dollars plus lost growth. Yes, it takes more effort, multiple quotes, more paperwork, but the payoff is huge. You're in control, not the insurer. Your retirement is too important to leave to a bundled deal. Take the wheel, unbundle, and watch your savings grow. A little extra work now means a lot more freedom later. Ready to fight back? Here's your action plan. Ask every agent. List every fee in dollars and percentages. Never take the first offer. Shop around, get multiple quotes, and use independent brokers, but know how they're paid. Dig into surrender periods and charges. If you might need your money early, beware. Scrutinize riders and add-ons. Most are just extra fees. Simpler policies are usually cheaper. Don't be afraid to negotiate or push for alternatives. Watch for red flags, vague promises, emotional pitches, or pressure to sign fast. If you don't understand the fees, walk away. Knowledge and skepticism are your best defense. Protect your money fiercely. It's your future. Don't let anyone fleece you. We've exposed the hidden fees, the complex clauses, and the industry tricks. The system isn't run by villains, but it is designed to maximize their profits, sometimes at your expense. The solution? Take charge. Don't sign just because a brand is familiar or an agent is friendly. Review your policies, even if it's a pain. Ask questions until you understand, or get help from a fee-only advisor. Every dollar you save from fees is a dollar for your dreams. Your retirement should be about you, not their bottom line. Act now. Don't wait until it's too late. Share what you learn with others. The more we know, the harder it is for the industry to hide. This is your money, your future, your fight. Let's make retirement truly golden. For you, not just the insurance companies. Stay vigilant, stay empowered, and claim the retirement you deserve.